Hi guys, Automotive Control. This time round we have a Transit Custom fitted with a DMX7722DABS. This is a unit that has built-in Garmin navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI input. We've also fitted, in conjunction with it, the KENWOOD dash cam, which is this one here. Originally the van had that radio in it. We've obviously taken the air vents and the buttons out to fit to the new fascia. So with this unit we can have the dash cam viewable through this front screen by pressing the camera button. We've also fitted a reverse camera, which is just there. Great view of the tow ball, perfect when hooking up. Steering wheel controls all work there. Customer hasn't lost any of his parking sensor displays or clock or anything like that. That's still in there. 3-year warranty on this unit. If you're interested, give us a call. 02179 08 0708. Automotive Control Bristol. Thank you.